Hello guys, good afternoon. Manatu nag-lunch. After this, I will below the dress of mine. Mayo to sa tanan, mga followers. My viewers, arigato gozaimasu for watching my reels and my vlog. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. God bless you to all. I need to pillow this one, my dear, so that's why your cleanliness. Thank you so much guys. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Keep safe all. Because today is Tuesday. Love, 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 love. Sayonara, babush. O busy na ang baji. Nag-biscuit na while nag-Pino rice for bread.